Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to add the multiple photos on Instagram story without any application. Where that you just need to go to the Instagram and you need to tap on your story on the top right corner and scroll down, and you need to choose any particular photo you want to add to your story. Suppose I am selecting this, and so you can drag this photo and adjust its size here, and you can add this photo to anywhere you would like. Suppose I have added this picture. If I want to add another photo also here, then you just need to go to the sticker like icon or the next to the create icon, tap on it and scroll down. You will see the plus icon here, tap on it, and suppose another photo this I have selected, I want to add this, then you can just tap it and you can drag anywhere you would like to. You can also tap and change the on what style you would like to add this photo, and you would also can write anything or text here by tapping into create like icon here, and you can also add music, story or anything. So now you need to tap on your story, and now you have already added multiple photos in your Instagram story without any application. If you want to see it, then you need to tap on your story again, and now you can see here that it has already been posted. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.